If I don't have this, I'm out of a job. Okay, I know this. I 100% know this.
Okay.
If I don't have this, I'm out of a job.
Okay.
This is a crocodile. This has got to be a crocodile.
It's a crocodile.
It's a crocodile. Boom. Yes. Okay.
Good.
It would have been really scary if I didn't get that.
Yes.
Does it sound like any animal you have in Kazakhstan? Because this does not sound like an Australian animal to me.
It looks like, because the one really sounds like a saiga baby.
Ah,
Okay,
Could it be a saiga?
let's go for saiga.
okay.
It's a saiga.
Okay.
We did it. Just shows you got to go with your gut, you know.
This was fun.
This was fun. This was good.
Yeah.
Okay, we did pretty well.